Yes, now I think nobody is left, so we can start the physics quiz session. This is our first session. Yes, can I get the confirmation from the participants? Say yes by unmuting yourself. I'm unmuting you all, and so that you can tell me whether I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody can unmute themselves and let me know.
Say I'm
Yes,
here.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm here.
Jaime is here.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. So I think all the participants' name is on the scoreboard. So let us quickly start the session.
The first time.
Yes, this is for the first time we are conducting such kind of rapid fire. So this will in turn going to test your knowledge of the subject. And today's topic is, as I have already mentioned it on the poster, it is physical quantities and measurement. So physical quantities and measurement is the aim, and all the questions will be related to this topic as I have written on the board. So I think you can show the video at least, so I can get to know whether for this when the session will start, I want only the participant to answer the question and nobody will take anybody's help, because this session will going to be very fast. Yes, you can switch on the videos. Whoever is comfortable, they can switch on the videos. Yes, Amir. Now I am Amir, am I audible? Amir, you can unmute yourself and let me know. Okay. Vashi, okay, and Jaime is there. Pranav is there. Pranav, am I audible to you? Pranav? Yes. Shashank, it's nice to see you. I've never seen you before. Good, yeah, good. You have okay. Amir is there. Pranav, am I audible? Pranav, please show me your video. Okay, I'm audible to you, right? Pranav, if you are comfortable, you can show me your video also. Okay, so the question answers will start, and this will be a rapid fire round. What is the rule that I am going to tell you, all of you? Listen, you will not answer the question immediately. You will raise hand. The one who will raise hand first will be on the top. यहाँ पे automatically वो sorting हो जाएगी, and the one who will be at the top will get the first chance. If yes, Shashank, you want to answer or you are checking, Shashank? Checking. Okay. So the one who will raise hand will get the score here. यहाँ पे मैं scores लिखती चलूंगी, and there are only the fundamental questions. It has nothing to do with your age or with your class or with your subject. It is only the particular topic and the particular concept of physics that we are going to concentrate on. Yes, all set? Any query from the participants? Pranav? Yes, all set. I think all set. If the first answer will be wrong, then the second one who has raised will get the chance for answering. And the first who has given wrong answer will not be deducted any marks. No marks for the wrong, he'll be given only 0. No minus marking. Okay, so all set. So I'm starting my first question, that is based on physical quantities and measurement. Let me open the participants list so that I can get to know who has raised hand first. Okay, so in front of me participants list is open, and my first question is, all set? Can I mute all? Can I mute all the participants for once? You will raise hand, I will unmute you. Okay, so my first question is classification of physical quantities. Physical quantities, which is our topic, it can be classified into which broad categories? First question. What are the broad classification of physical quantities? You can raise hand. In Zoom meeting you have to raise hand. I think you have understood. Yes, Pranav, I think you have understood that in the Zoom meeting itself, you all have to raise hand. Yes, you all are unmuted.
मैम आपकी voice नहीं आ रही थी सही से.
अच्छा, okay. Okay. I am repeating my question. My question is classification of physical quantities. Classify physical quantities. Tell me the classification. I want the answer fast. Okay, Shashank. Shashank has
Some
raised hand.
vectors and scalars.
Shashank has given me the answer. Scalar and vector quantities. They are the physical quantity. Okay. I want to get the second. I'll tell you the point. Second is Pranav. Pranav has raised hand. Can unmute himself. Yes, Pranav. Tell me the answer.
Fundamental and derived quantities.
Very good, Pranav. Please come to your mic because your mic is far from your.
Fundamental and derived quantities.
Very good, Pranav. It's fundamental and yes, Shashank. Do you now get your point? It's fundamental and derived quantities. The answer is fundamental and derived quantities. Understood, all of you? Shashank, you got the point? I'll come to you. जिसने जो doubts किए हैं, जो questions हैं, that we'll cover later on. But the first answer is correct, given by Pranav. So 1 mark to Pranav, 1 score. Pranav, 1 score is given to you. Fast, now fast. I'll not give more than 1 minute. Second question, example of fundamental quantities. Fast. Examples. Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Length and mass.
Length and mass is partially correct. One more. Yes, who else? Arey Anish, Amir, give me the answer fast.
मैम मेरे को तो यहाँ पर हैंड्स अप करने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है लैपटॉप.
If you don't have the option, tell Shashank, he will raise hand for you.
Ma'am, time.
Yes, Pranav, it's time. Pranav, your voice is not audible. Please come near to your mic.
मेरे को आंसर पता है. टेम्परेचर एक एग्जांपल हो सकता है. मेरे को आंसर पता है. टेम्परेचर
Wait. Pranav, repeat your answer. Repeat your answer.
Ma'am, length, mass and time.
It is LMT, length, mass and
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Very good.
टेम्परेचर भी हो सकता है ना.
अभी मैं
टेम्परेचर
आपने गलत है. टेम्परेचर नहीं हो सकता. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? I'm coming back to you. The second question, example of derived quantities. Pranav, please lower your hand. Pranav, lower your hand. Acha, you want to answer this question also? Acha, okay. Third question. My third question is example of derived quantities. Now, Anish, you can answer. Yes, Shashank, tell me. Shashank, you raised hand.
Area, volume, density.
Volume.
Very good. Shashank.
मैं जीत गया.
Yes. Wait. Pranav, Shashank has given this answer. So let me give Shashank or Anish. किसको देना है ये point? I think Shashank.
पहले मैंने बोला था. आपने पहले बोला था अनीश हैंड्स अप.
Anish, I was asking you, but meanwhile I have seen that Shashank has raised the hand. So I'll give this point to Shashank and Pranav. You have answered 2 questions correctly. So your score is now 2. Okay. So my third question. बहुत जल्दी लेंगे. इसमें no gaps. Now my next question is, you have to tell me. अभी next 7 questions में आपको units बतानी है. मैं केवल quantity का नाम बोलूँगी and you will tell me the unit. What is the unit of the area?
Square centimeter.
I think.
Centimeters.
1 second. Yes, Pranav, you are first.
Meter square.
Pranav, you are
Meter square.
first. Pranav is first. प्रणव, आपको थोड़ा सा माइक के पास आना पड़ेगा. प्रणव की आवाज सबको धीमे सुनाई दे रही है कि मुझे धीमी कुछ सुनाई दे रही है?
मुझे तो आ ही नहीं रही है. वो बोल क्या रहा है?
हाँ, वो बहुत धीमे आ रही है. प्रणव, आप थोड़ा सा पास में आ जाओ माइक. हाँ प्रणव, आप बोलो.
मैम, मीटर स्क्वायर.
वेरी गुड. मीटर स्क्वायर. आमिर सही बोल रहा है. प्रणव.
हाँ मैम सही बोल रहा है.
चलो अब तुम लोग. आमिर एंड अनिश, आई वांट द नेक्स्ट आंसर फ्रॉम यू. वॉल्यूम.
मैम मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने लास्ट के दोनों बोले. अभी ये वाला भी मैंने
दोनों
बोला
गलत
था.
है.
Vashi, I am going to introduce you with one of the legends sitting with us. वो अभी session के बाद. Pranav, you can lower your hand. I am asking the second question. Everybody lower the hand.
वॉल्यूम के तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं.
अच्छा. Volume. Now raise your hand. Volume. Unit of volume. Unit of volume. No one? Am I audible?
मैम हेलो. लीटर भी तो हो सकता है.
Yes. Unit of volume. Who is giving?
लीटर में अनीश. हेलो
Anish, you have to raise hand, Anish.
मैम मैं तो मेरे को इसमें ऑप्शन दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Anish 1. Okay, Anish 1. Pranav and Sejal. Okay. Okay, Jaime, now be active. You are second to raise hand. Good, Jaime. Good try. Now next is the unit of density. Fast. The unit of density. Amir, good. Very good, Amir. Vashi, good. Amir is first.
किलोग्राम पर क्यूब.
ग्राम मैम.
Amir, your
पर
turn.
क्यूब मीटर.
SI unit. I want the SI unit. SI unit of density. Yes, Amir.
ऐसा यूनिट मैम उसका आएगा.
मैम अनीश.
Anish, you are third.
Liters.
पहले आमिर
Liters.
बोलेगा. Amir, tell me.
लीटर्स.
Liters. Density. I am asking about density. Amir. Vashi is the second. Okay, Vashi, tell me. Unmute yourself and tell the answer. Vashi, hi, Shubhi. How are you, Shubhi? Vashi, tell me the answer. Unmute yourself. Vashi, you can unmute. Okay.
हेलो मैम अनीश.
Anish, you will get the chance. Vashish is trying. Let me answer. Then Pranav is also raising. Let me ask him. Then Anish, आपके बाद प्रणव का आएगा. But Vashi, you are unable to. Oh yes, Vashi. Tell me the answer. Density
Mass
unit.
into volume.
I am asking the SI unit. Vashi, not the formula. The SI unit of density. The SI unit of density. Yes.
तो मैम.
Vashi, give up. Vashi,
Yeah,
giving up. Okay. Vashi, trying or giving up? I'm unable to. I want
It's
to
on the tip of my
answer. How
tongue.
can I answer? Ayansh, you just have to raise hand. For answering, you just have to raise hand, Ayansh. If you want to answer, you just have to raise hand. Yes, Anish, your turn. Anish.
किलोग्राम पर क्यूबिक मीटर.
Very good, Anish. Very good. Finally, you got the turn. Anish has again got two points. अच्छा Anish, आपने आंसर दिया इससे पहले?
हाँ मैंने तो वॉल्यूम वाला.
Pranav, I think he is correct. Pranav, I think you agree with. You agree with Anish answer, so you agree. Okay, Vashi, please lower your hand. Vashish, please lower your hand. Okay, my next question is the unit, SI unit of speed. Yes, Pranav, good. Pranav, tell me.
हेलो.
MS raised to -1.
MS raised to -1 is exactly right. Shashank, आपका हाथ नहीं उठ रहा है? अच्छा उठा है. That you are able to raise hand. M per meter per second is also correct. जो प्रणव ने बताया MS raised to -1 is absolutely correct. So he got one more point. Okay, Shashank, is he correct?
मैम अगर
Yes,
मेरा
ma'am, yes, sir.
मैम अगर मेरा हाथ नहीं उठ रहा इसमें से मतलब.
आपका अगर अनिश अगर आपका हाथ नहीं उठ रहा, you do one thing. शशांक ऐसे भी हाथ उठा रहा है. आप ऐसे हाथ उठा लो, ठीक है? आप विजुअल स्क्रीन पे हाथ उठाओ. I am looking at you. आप ऐसे हाथ उठा लेना, ठीक है? I am looking. Please lower hand, everybody. Yes. Next question. The SI unit of acceleration. The SI unit of acceleration, fast. Yes, Vashi, very good. Vashi, give me the answer.
Speed.
SI unit of acceleration is?
Speed.
Yes, Vashi. What is the unit?
हेलो.
Vashi, you can unmute yourself and tell. Yes, tell me.
Speed.
Speed. Speed is another physical quantity, Vashisht. We want the unit of acceleration. 1 minute. Anish, after you is Shashank. Yes, Anish, you tell me.
मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर.
Meter per second square is the right answer.
मैम
3
बट
points.
मैंने पहले रेज हैंड करा था. ये इसने बाद में हाथ दिखाया. पहले मैंने रेज हैंड करा था.
Shashank, okay, Shashank will get 2 points. ठीक है?
उसका आंसर पता भी था या नहीं पता था भी मेरा.
Tell me.
पता था मेरे.
नहीं, okay, Shashank. This time I am giving it to Anish only because I have seen him raising hand since long. Shashank, आपने hand raise किया इधर. Actually, Anish, this is the right way. आपको इधर आपको इधर ही करना है अनिश, कुछ करके आप लेके आओ रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन, आपको इधर ही रेज हैंड करना है, अदरवाइज दिस विल क्रिएट अननेसेसरी कंफ्यूजन विद अदर्स। ठीक है, ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑल सेट?
मैम बता दिया मैंने इसको रेज हैंड का बटन।
मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर प्रणव इज द राइट आंसर। आई थिंक you were also knowing but you were not getting turn. Okay, no problem. But now next question, already I want the SI unit of force. Yes, Pranav, tell me.
Newton.
Very good, it's Newton. It's Newton, good. Next, lower hand, Shashank, lower hand, Pranav. Lower hand. Now next, the SI unit of velocity. Anish, you raised hand. Tell me the answer, Anish. Anish, you raised hand. You tell me the
मीटर पर
answer.
सेकंड।
Good. It's 4 points for Anish. शशांक, आपसे तेज अनिश निकल रहे हैं अभी तो।
मैम उसको पहले पता नहीं था, मैम मैंने बोलने लगा था, फिर उसने सुन लिया, फिर उसने बोल दिया।
Amir is sitting
क्यों बोल रहा
quiet.
है?
I am waiting for Haimi and Vashish to answer. Ayash is sitting idle. Okay, Maitreyi is still left to be joined. Huh? Okay. So let me ask, all have to. But this is big bhai question. I want to answer. How can I answer? Acha, people are asking me, why are you not asking simple questions? Are these not simple? These questions are simple. Anish, lower your hand. Lower your hand. Lower your hand. Now only Zoom window. The last question from the units is, what is the SI unit of work? It's Pranav. It's Pranav again. It's again Pranav. Pranav, tell me.
Joules.
Yes?
Joules.
It's joules you are telling, right? Work,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
joules. 1 minute. Anish, what you were telling? You tell me, Anish. Pranav, you
मैं भी
yours.
झूठ नहीं बोल रहा था।
आप भी joules बोल रहे थे, ठीक है। Pranav got 1 point because he was correct. And अगर if you want it to be simplified in SI form, it is Newton meter. ठीक है? So अगर somebody will tell you Newton meter, that is also correct. Now this is about the physical quantities introduction and units. अभी हमने केवल इतना cover किया. Now very fast, Vashisht. Can I get you Vashisht? Lower your hand.
Yes.
Everybody here, lower hand. Vashisht, I want to say that the thing that you were answering are the formulas. अब हम आए हैं formula पे. So you please pay attention and just raise your hand whenever you are comfortable with. The things that we have just covered is the SI units, standard units that are used in practice. So वो units हमने complete किए हैं. अब now we are coming to the formula that you were telling before. So now my next few questions are based on formula. Why Amir is sleeping? Amir, why are you sleeping? You have gone? Amir is gone. Okay. So now I am asking the formula. First formula is, what is the area? Yes, Pranav, tell me.
Ma'am, area formula is length by length. Or
Length by breadth. Length into width, length into breadth, length into L or B, L or W, anything. Very good. 7 points. Next. Lower hand.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the area of a volume?
Area of a volume.
Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, Yes. Ma'am, length by breadth by height, I think so.
This is again correct. Anish, is it right? Anish?
हाँ मैम, बट इसके तो वॉल्यूम के तो बहुत सारे फॉर्मूले हो सकते हैं, मतलब
बहुत
एक
सारे
तो
हो
मैंने
सकते हैं,
पढ़ा था,
बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं
AH.
अनिश, बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, but the one who will raise hand will get the first chance. The one who will raise hand will get the first chance. That is it. So बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, बहुत सारे के लिए raise hand करिए फटाफट. चलिए lower hand. Next thing is, what is the formula for density? Yes, Vashisht. The formula for density. Anish, good Anish, tell me. Good Anish, tell
लो
me.
मैम मेरा देखो मैंने कब से हैंड्स करा है.
Good Anish, आप बोलो Anish, आप बोलो. Anish, tell me.
M upon V.
What is this?
Mass
The
upon
formula?
volume.
Very
upon
good.
volume.
Mass upon volume is the right answer. Mass upon volume. Very good. Next, what is the area of speed?
Area of speed.
Sorry, what is the formula of speed? What is the formula of speed? Yes, Shashank, Vashi. Okay, Vashisht, come back. Come back and tell me what is the formula for speed?
Distance upon time.
Very good. आप समझ गए Vashisht? Earlier we were discussing about the units, and this is my formula. Okay, that is correct, Vashisht. That is distance upon time. Now, what is the formula of acceleration? Yes, Pranav, tell me. Pranav, tell me.
Change in velocity upon change in time.
Very good, very good. After this session, I will give a brief introduction of each and every participant. Anish, I have seen your hand, but that was after Pranav. Isliye you have not got the chance. Next, what is the formula of force? Yes, Pranav. Anish, क्या हो रहा है? You have to be fast. हाँ, बोलो.
Mass multiplied by displacement.
This is right. That is mass into accel. What force is what?
उसने displacement बोला, उसने displacement
Hey,
बोला.
just a minute.
उसने displacement बोला.
एक मिनट. Anish, you got the chance. Anish, you got the second chance. What is the formula of force?
Mass into acceleration.
Yes. प्रणव, आपको पता चल गया डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं है, एक्सेलरेशन है. Okay, no problem. That's okay. You are already 3 points ahead of the rest. Already, the last question about the formula. It is, tell me the formula of velocity. Yes, Vashisht. Velocity you were telling before. The formula of velocity. First, yes. I think Shashank is first. Shashank, tell me.
Distance traveled upon time level.
Shashank, what you said? Velocity.
Sorry.
Anish, you will get.
बता दिया, sorry.
Shashank, distance traveled. What you said?
मैंने गलत बोल दिया. Distance traveled upon time elapsed बोल दिया. वो तो speed का है.
Yes, वो तो speed का. Anish, you got the chance now. Anish, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
मेरे को भी वही आता था.
अरे छोटी सी गलती है. Next कौन? Next raise hand.
Distance upon time. Distance
Yes.
upon time.
That is a speed. Distance upon time is a speed. Yes, Anish नहीं. Yes, Vashish, Pranav, come on.
Ma'am, what was that?
I was asking, what is the formula of velocity? Formula of velocity. Yes.
Velocity.
छोटी सी गलती है आप दोनों के आंसर में, शशांक एंड अनिश. बहुत छोटी सी गलती है. This is the
Speed
formula.
upon time.
Yes. बोलो अनिश. बोलो अनिश. छोटी सी गलती.
Speed of time. Hello ma'am. Speed upon time. Speed upon
Okay,
time.
Vashisht, I'm waiting for your answer. Vashisht, Shashank, Amir left. वो तो डर ही गया.
Hello ma'am. Hello. Speed upon time.
बोलो अनिश, बोलो.
Speed upon time.
नहीं अनिश, speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. They two are the separate quantities. Yes, I think Pranav is now raising hand. Pranav, you are raising hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, I think so it is mass upon density.
Mass upon density is wrong. No. I am asking the velocity. Please, Shashank, मुझे लगता है आपसे आंसर मिल सकता है. शशांक, आपने गलती अपनी जो बताई थी उसी को ठीक करना है. थोड़ा सा चेंज है. Ayan, I think Anish, you want to try? No. Pranav, no. Nobody is giving this answer. Vashisht.
Speed upon time. वही तो था.
Okay, we can't wait more. I am giving you the answer.
Distance travel. नहीं. हाँ.
चलो बताओ. शशांक से मैं expect कर रही थी answer. I was expecting from Vashisht also the answer. I think Jaime is now left. Jaime left. Jaime, आपके लायक भी क्वेश्चन हम पूछेंगे, इसलिए बी रेडी. अभी आने वाले आपके लायक क्वेश्चन. Yes, only 5-10 minutes left, so we'll be moving fast. Anish ने नहीं बताया. Now Pranav, tell me. Pranav, you got the chance.
Ma'am,
Speak.
distance upon time.
Okay, nobody. Done. So I'm locking this question. The answer is displacement upon time. Distance
अच्छा.
upon time is the speed. Distance एक scalar quantity है. That upon time is the speed. Displacement upon time is my vector quantity, velocity. Shashank, am I loud and clear? Okay, so that is clear. So now very simple question. मुझे छोटे वाले बच्चे चाहिए. आयांश, हाइमी, सारे ready हो जाना. आप लोगों को answer करना है. Few easy questions. हाइमी, Chubi is there. Haimi is there. Oh, they have left. No problem. I think Haimi and Shubi have left. No problem. Let me ask the easy questions now.
हम सब नहीं left कर दिया.
क्योंकि वो डर गए. बहुत hard questions थे. अभी last 5 minutes very easy questions, but now
मैं पहले easy ला देने थे, फिर उनके बाद hard ला.
raise. Just get your hand down. Just get your hand down. Okay. Now my easy questions are 1 minute is equal to dash seconds.
मेरे laptop hang मार गया.
Pranav.
60 seconds.
Ayansh, I was expecting the answers from you also. Yes, Ayansh. Yes, Ayansh, I was expecting.
ये वाले doubt तो बच्चे ही कर.
Okay, 1 hour. Okay. नीचे, lower down your hands. Lower down. Vashish, please bring Haimi and Shubi also. Haimi and Shubi, they left. Vashi, bring them now. So, yes. Now my next question is, Ayansh, lower hand. Okay. Now my next question is, 1 hour is equal to dash minutes.
I will not answer this.
Vashi, yes,
अबे
Vashi.
बच्चों को करने दो यार.
Vashi, tell me. Vashi, tell me.
60 minutes.
Yes, one, lower hand. Ayansh, lower hand. You are late, Ayansh, lower hand. Okay, next. One day is equal to dash hour. 1 day is equal to dash hour. Yes, come on. Pranav, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I can tell exact number.
Sure,
23
100%.
hours, 56 minutes. 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4 seconds and 9 microseconds. And it is 24 hours.
Very good. I'm so impressed with your answer. Very good, Pranav. The exact answer. That is not, he is just saying 24 hours. He is giving us the exact figure. Okay. Next. 1 year is equal to dash days and dash hours. Yes, Ayansh. Ayansh, you have raised hand first. Tell me. Ayansh, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. 365 days and how many hours? How many hours? How many hours? 365 days and how many hours? Hours बताने हैं बच्चे, आपको hours पता है?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem, Ayansh. We are coming back to Pranav. Pranav, how many hours?
Ma'am, 365 days and 6 hours.
Very
Only
good.
5 participants left, including you.
No problem. So he will get 1 mark. Okay. Now the last question. 1 decade is equal to dash years. 1 decade is equal. Yes, Ayansh. Ayansh, tell me.
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am.
Unmute yourself and tell. Yes, okay, Ayansh. You know the answer. Unmute yourself. Yes, one decade is equal to dash years. Yes, Ayansh, tell me. You don't know the answer, Ayansh?
No.
Okay, Pranav, you tell the right answer.
10 years.
Very good. So with this, we are just closing the session. It was of just 10 minutes rapid fire. I am closing it with the score. Pranav has scored 13. Anish
40
has
minutes हो
scored
गए.
6. And yes, Vashisht is at 2 and Shashank is at 1. So with this, my rest of the participants can leave. Acha, Vashisht, can you please show me a video? I would like to introduce you all with the first ranker of Byju's physics quiz, Pranav, Anish, Ayansh, and yes, I'm just introducing Vashisht Kapadia to all of you. Pranav, he is the first ranker. Anish, Byju's में competition था quiz का, and Vashisht was first in that competition. He's your friend. Anish, you know him. And Vashisht, you know Anish also. You know them, yeah?
Yes, congrats, bro.
Everybody give a round of applause.
Wow, Pranav is giving you the round of applause. See his. So congratulations, Vashisht, for scoring the highest percentage, and all the best. Vashisht, you can leave the class. Ayansh, you can also leave the class. Pranav, we are signing off with your 13 scores. Congratulating you with the highest score, and keep practicing physics the way you are doing. Very good, Ayansh. Very good. Keep doing it. Yeah, Vashisht is also clapping for you, Pranav. Keep practicing. And Vashisht, I am also introducing Pranav with. Pranav is one of the space enthusiasts and a very, very scholar boy. He is very much into the studies right from his childhood. I know him, and he is very good in studies as well, plus a very decent boy. So this is our Pranav, and this is the introduction session, which is over. So Vashisht, thank you for joining us. Ayansh, thank you for joining us, and Pranav, this is the end of the session, and I enjoyed it too. Along with you, I enjoyed the session. Congratulations for scoring the highest, and all of you for being the part of it. Yeah, okay, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. See ya. See you next in the next session. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.